bitch. I said, what you want to eat for dinner, motherfucker? I'll peel weirs.
I love it.
It wants to go really fast.
Nighttime vision.
You can't do it. I don't have the power.
Where are you going? Where's Provident?
Inside of Shoppers.
Oh yeah, that's right. Look, our swollen lymph node.
So everyone was like, what a nice camera. They were like, you should buy a really big engagement ring. And you were like, yeah, I know. She deserves a 3 carat. I know exactly what you do. Shut up.
Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna adjust the audio. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Put your hands up.
I want to buy some of those little apple slices to take to work.
Put your hands up. This is my baby's necklace that I took off of her. And it's been here ever since. Yeah, we got prime spot. See?
Look at my boobs right now.
Now they're turning this way.
Look at my boobs.
Ooh, I need to zoom out a little. They're a bit big.
They just look so big
wow,
right
they look
now.
like a butt.
Thanks, babe. My boobs look like a butt. Oh, no,
Wait till you see it.
No, Nico. Think again in your little hoochie hoop.